Chapter 46. Second Face. Do not underestimate the power of a second face. The more you hear the same information from different people, the more you believe it. This is a fact. Used the right way, a second face can add a lot of power to you getting your sale. A lot of sales professionals who do not use this feel they know everything and ignore a tool that will assist them in their presentation. You have to remember you are seen as a salesperson, telling them everything they want to hear and always answering their questions straight away. If you've been in the business less than 2 years, it would only add credibility to your presentation, even if it's only to clarify maintenance fees or how the exchange system works. If you've been in the business less than a year, then it should be mandatory. You may present how you know everything, yet your clients, who are spending thousands of dollars of their money, they want to know all the facts. Remember, they're not going to tell you that they're not comfortable with what you're telling them. Instead, they will just say, "We need to think about it." A lot of low performers blame the second face as a reason for them not selling. They see it as just another excuse for dragging the presentation on, yet try and bring a second face on at the end to bang the deal down. And the clients who have never seen this person before now become even more determined to say no. A big tip is to plan ahead. If you have a smooth presentation, plan parts where you can introduce the second face. The maintenance fee is a great part, or even to explain more details on your company, especially if the second face has been with the company longer than you. Also, speak to your second face before you're about to use them. Let them know the lay of the land, what you want them to say or not to say. Remember, a second face works for you to assist you getting the sale, nothing else. You're in charge, it's your presentation. You decide when to bring them on, but use one. It will help you sell. I have seen presentations where the clients are really close to saying yes, and a second face is brought in to cover something as simple as booking to go to a home resort or when do you pay the maintenance fee. The question is answered exactly the same way the sales professional explained it, and this gave the client the comfort of knowing what they were being told was true. So out came the credit card. When you make a purchase for a car, a home, or a new TV, and a second or even a third person reinforces what you've done is good and repeats what you've been told as well, it makes you feel more comfortable. This is a fact. It's the process of buying. It takes away that buyer's remorse and makes you feel good. Think about it. Look at your presentation as a tennis game. You, the single, v your clients, the doubles. You are the professional and smack the ball around the court, winning most points and games. Now and then, when needed, it's good to bring on a doubles partner for the support. Just when you need to make set point, or more importantly for match point, it makes a difference. Until you've established a genuine personal relationship with your clients, you really have not had a successful warm-up. Some people, you may say, are impossible to warm up, and to a certain extent that is true. So sometimes these types have to be warmed up on the tour. Are you genuinely interested in your clients? Do you really like them? Do they really like you? Do they trust you? This is the core of the sale. Use these questions as a checklist after your warm-up to see where you are. It's not enough to be in the right place at the right time. You have to be the right person in the right place at the right time. And that's a quote from T. Harv Eker. To some people, luck, or being in the right place when the right clients come in, is the secret to their success. It's a numbers game, you will hear. To be fair, if you're really lucky, you could get through a year by the skin of your teeth just by being in the right place at the right time. If you see 100 clients, even an average performer can get a couple of sales if their product is good, just by being in the right place. Yet, if you're the right person, you'll find you in the right place more often. The key questions to think about as you move forward this year are, how do you really feel about yourself? How confident are you in yourself? What will you do this year to make sure you learn and grow? Remember, your income can only grow to the extent you do. The key to success is to raise your own energy. When you do, people will be naturally attracted to you. When they show up, bill 'em. That's a quote from Stuart Wilde.